Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unbagging the March Ipsy Glam Bag. If you are unfamiliar, maybe you just stumbled upon my video, you've never watched them before. Ipsy Glam Bags are a monthly subscription service, so you actually go on their website, you sign up, and every month you get like this surprise little package of makeup goodies, and it is so fun, you guys. They do have an option now where you can go on and kind of handpick some of the products. But for the most part, it's just fun. It's just a surprise. If you're somebody who's really getting into makeup or you just are a makeup enthusiast like me, this is like the best subscription service ever to have. So I am an Ipsy ambassador, which means they do send the products to me ahead of time so I can share them with you guys so you get a good idea of what might be in your bag. Either this bag or like April, May, whenever you sign up. So yeah, I have the original Ipsy Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and I have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $25 a month. I also have some goodies from their refreshments service. So refreshments is a new branch of Ipsy, and they have more body care items. So last month they sent us a razor and some shave cream. This month they sent over some deodorants, it looks like. So you can add refreshments to your Ipsy subscription service, so that way you get it all together with no like additional shipping charges, which is great. So like I said before, refreshments did send over their deodorant. So I'm reading about it on here, and it looks like these are clean, 100% vegan, cruelty-free ingredients, aluminum-free, and baking soda-free. So that's good if you have sensitive underarms. The baking soda-free will really help with that. It says pamper your pits. I use native deodorant right now and I really like it, but I'm always open to trying new ones. So they sent over an unscented, which shockingly is unscented. And then they also sent over the Pacific Fizz. This one is really pretty, just the color. Oh, that smells really nice. Just fresh and clean. And then they also sent over their Pearly Body Wash Citrus Spritz. So it's a different scent. This one is Pacific Fizz, this is Citrus Spritz. I mean, it smells okay. I haven't used their body wash before though. So again, super nice the fact that you can get these every month, because you'll probably need them monthly. Okay, so let's get into the regular Glam Bag. So these are typically sample-sized products. You do occasionally get a full size with your regular Glam Bag, but it is the cheaper one. So, you typically get the deluxe sample sizes, and there's 5 in here every month. So the first thing I have is the Way leave-in conditioner. This is an itty bitty bottle. I've used this before. I do really like it. Way products are really expensive though, so I haven't used anything other than the little samples that have been sent to me, but it is one of those products where like, maybe one day I'll buy full size, but this is really cute little travel size. It's 0.84 fluid ounces. The next thing in here is the Coco Kind. That's a brand I haven't heard of before. Resurfacing Sleep Mask. I feel like sleep masks are huge right now. I feel like every month we get some version or variation of a sleep mask. I do like the idea of sleep masks. They're nice because they're not fussy and you just put it on like a moisturizer. It wears like a moisturizer, so you don't have to worry about like it getting on your sheets or washing it off or anything like that. It just washes off the next morning when you wash your face, when you wake up. Next thing has its own little bubble wrap, which is nice. They do this usually when something is like more breakable. So this is by the brand St. Lux. Is that the brand name? Yeah, St. Lux highlighter in rose quartz. If this is the highlighter, this is a pretty decently sized highlighter because I don't use a ton of highlighter. Ooh, that is pretty. See? It doesn't look super like shiny, which I actually prefer. So, there's definitely a gold undertone. So can you see it? It's right there. I have other stuff on my hand, but right there. So I'm not a huge fan of gold undertoned. That's odd because in the pan it doesn't look gold, but swatched on my hand there's definitely a gold sheen to it. Okay, 2 more things in my original Glam Bag. So the first one is by the brand Cella, I think is how you say this. Maybe it's Cella, C-E-L-A. I never know how to say it. I think it's Cella. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this is the Seed to Skin Scrub. Okay, natural grain polish. This is little for a body scrub. I feel like this would work on like one arm. Maybe 2. I'm really excited about this last product. This is something that I've been wanting to try for a while, but I have so many loose setting powders that I just cannot justify. I cannot justify buying another full-size one. I just can't until I finish some of mine up. But this is by Kat Von D, KVD. It used to be Kat Von D. I can't get past it. KVD Beauty. And this is their Lock It setting powder in the translucent color. I want to say there are several different shades, maybe like at least 2, like a darker one. But this is the cutest little, and you don't need a whole ton of setting powder. It just, you know, puts on your under eyes or your whole face. So this is a perfect size. Okay, let's look at the Glam Bag Plus. This one always has full-size products in it. And this is the one where you can go in and customize and pick some of the products yourself, like if you don't want it to be a full surprise. This bag is cute. The little people on it, I mean, it definitely goes with the We're Better Together theme that they're talking about. So, okay, first thing in here is by MOTD, which I'm assuming is Makeup of the Day. It's a little brush set. These are eye brushes. These are really pretty. They're just like that pastel, like spring pink. I'm all about the pink, as you can tell with the shirt. This presentation A+, but it looks like there's a maybe like a flat shader brush, a pencil brush, and then a couple of different blender brushes in here. Stuff like this is always great. I love getting brushes. I have a ton of them, but it's just one of those products where I feel like I can't have enough of them. So I love the fact that you can get brushes in both of these. Sometimes you'll get brushes in your little original size bag too, which is great. So that's the first thing. Next thing in here is by the brand, is it One Hit? Is that the brand? I'm assuming that is the name of the brand. Nope, I'm wrong. The brand name is Item Beauty and the product is One Hit. So obviously a brand I've never heard of before, but setting sprays I love. I love having them to wet my brushes, to set my face. I mean, they're so multi-purpose. So this one says it primes, sets, and refreshes a dewy finish face mist. Let's see what the packaging looks like. Really, really cute box though. Oh, this is cute. Orange, you know, with the spring. I'm just into it right now. A very light, I want to say citrus, but it's just fresh. Just a really light, fresh scent. And the packaging design is different from any setting sprays that I've had before. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Purlisse. I think is how you say it, Purlisse. I know they sell this at Ulta. And this is their Skin Glow BB Base Primer. So it's a face primer. Okay, I was expecting BB as like a, you know, a BB cream, like a foundation, but this is a face primer. So that's interesting. Oil-free, satin sheen, natural glow finish, extends makeup wear. It says it's for all skin types, even sensitive skin. So that is nice. I love the pink again. This definitely is giving me BB cream vibes, and it's tiny, but it's 1 ounce, but it looks tiny. Like compared to most 1 ounce things, usually foundations are 1 ounce. Now I have to find one. Yeah, this is 1 ounce, and for some reason, okay, maybe they're the same size. Okay, never mind me over here. It just looks tiny, okay? But let's see. Oh, there is a tint to it. That makes sense because it's a BB cream. I wonder if that's one of those things that you can like just kind of wear on its own, you know, without piling a foundation on top of it. I tend to really like those now, especially when I am at home all day and I just want something on my face. I like those kind of like bases that are kind of primers, but they mattify your skin and they just make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Florence. Okay, so Florence by Mills is sold at Ulta, and it is Millie Bobby Brown's brand. So she typically, I feel like it caters or like appeals to the younger crowd a little bit more. So this is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil. I love lip oils, you guys. I'm all about them. I'm wearing one right now by Ilia Beauty, and I love lip oils. So this is cute. Usually they come with a doe foot, like a wand, not a squeezy tube. It definitely is a lip oil. It just kind of like dripped out of that tube. There's a tint to it, but not enough to show up, and I'm not getting a scent from it either. Okay, last thing in my bag, it looks like it is a palette. Yeah. This is by the brand, it says Bell and Argent, I think is the brand. I've never heard of this brand before, but it's nice. I mean, it's cool packaging. And it is their Pan-Chromatic eyeshadow palette in Plum Premonition. Oh, pretty. Okay. I don't know why, but I wasn't expecting this. I know it's called Plum, so, oh, and there's names on the little plastic thing too. That's nice. I like that, especially for, you know, like tutorials and whatever. And a nice little mirror right there. So it looks like there's a good amount of mattes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes and 3 shimmers. These are more shimmers. That one is definitely a glitter. I want to swatch that one. This swatched really good, you guys. I'm actually really impressed. The only color that didn't swatch so well is like that beige. You can't really see it because it's my skin tone. I had to layer that one a few times, but the rest of the mattes swatched really nice. This one was really good swatching. And then the shimmer colors, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see them. I swatched them on the worst part of my hand. So here is the more pink champagne color. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. I can see myself using that one a ton. And then there's the more gold kind of pearl color, and then there's the glitter right there. So I'm impressed. I'm gonna have to use this on my eyelids. I feel like it's just a really pretty shadow palette. You know what I'm trying to say. All right, guys, well, those are the products that I got in my March Ipsy bags and my refreshment products. So I hope that you enjoyed watching. If you want to subscribe to Ipsy or you want to check it out, I will link their website down below for you guys. Not sponsored. I don't get any money at all if you sign up. So just, you know, I'll make it easy for you and link it down below. But other than that, I hope that you enjoyed watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.